got a storm coming through. Raining. Whoa. Wow, man. Neighbor across the street was outside too, doing the same thing. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh wow. This is a rainstorm. Look at that rain just going over there. See that across the street there? The rain. Oh! Was that hail? I think that's hail. It's dropping little chunks of ice from the sky. What the hell? Oh yeah. Alright. I hope I rolled my windows up on my truck. I really hope I did. Oh, wow. This is like a major storm. Oh my goodness. I may want to like go inside. What kind of craziness? Oh my good Lord. Oh wow. Don't worry. I'm next to the wall here. Oh my goodness. That's hail. I think our power flickered. Oh my goodness gracious me. That is hail. That is definitely hail coming down now. Don't worry, I got a roof over here. I got a wall over here. Oh, this is a one crazy storm. Okay. Well, thank you for joining me on this real time. Look, oh my gosh, there's the hail is coming down. What a storm. What a wild, crazy storm. Oh my, phew. Okay, so here is an update on the weather. It is literally 3 hours later, and the storm cleared out. The sun came out. Things are calm. It's actually kind of cool, to be honest. It does not feel like a Florida summer day. There's birds singing. Someone's running some kind of blower or weed whacker over there. But anyway, that's Florida weather for you. Crazy storm comes through a few hours later. It's a beautiful evening. So thanks for watching. Have a gobble-tastic day.